Do you want to impress your crush or just have your better half fall in love with you all over again? And are you tired of these guys? Then keep on watching and let's make some burning love together. So the ingredients we will be using today is bacon along with sausages. You can use just more bacon if you want to, but I like to mix them to get more deep flavor, and then mix it with onion, butter, of course, milk, nutmeg, salt and pepper, and then some beets, and lastly the fresh potatoes. You don't want to use like floury potatoes for your loved ones, so please keep them fresh, and then some fresh parsley, and this is picked up directly from our garden. But let's get to it, and we start with the potatoes. So for today's recipe, then we are making mashed potatoes. So we're using 500 grams of potatoes for 2 people. So you just peel them, of course, and then we slice them up so they have the same size and will boil at the same time. And yeah, stay until the end so you will see an alternative way to impress instead of cooking. Onions, then we need a full onion. So you peel it and then you can slice it up. And try to not waste that much of the onion by doing it this way. Boiling the potatoes in unsalted water, and then you can just place a lid on top and take them out when they are softened. Then we dice up the parsley. So once softened, then we mush them together until mashed, like so, and then we add in the butter to give it a bit more rich flavor, and then get that into the potatoes. Once that's done, then we add in the milk. We add about 100 milliliters of milk, but you can add in as you see fit until you see the texture you want. Toki, can you test me the salt and pepper?
Hi.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course, add some seasonings, salt and pepper. And then if you have some fresh nutmeg, then I would advise to use that, but otherwise just some dried. And then I'm adding some sausages. So I'm adding about 100 grams of sausages, and then 150 grams of bacon. The original recipe is 300 grams of bacon and no sausages, but I just like to mix it to give it a bit nicer texture and more flavor, and a bit less oil as well. But yeah, you just fry the bacon in no oil, and then once they are crispy, then you take them away, and then you can use the oil to fry the onions. Add 2 tablespoons of butter to make them even more lovely.
근데めっちゃ美味しいよ、このオイル。めっちゃ美味しい。
どれぐらい？
どれぐらい？これぐらい。美味しい。
Once softened, then you add in the sausages. season with salt and pepper and be mesmerized by the sizzle. And then we're done. So we just need to plate it. I'm plating all the ingredients on one plate just to make it look big and nice, but you can of course just add it on 2 different plates. So you add the potatoes and then you add on top the onions with the sausages, followed by the bacon. And don't forget the beets. The beets are super nice as well. It adds this sour and sweet flavor to it. And then lastly, the finely chopped parsley. And there you have it.
So we finished the burning love dish here. Let's just have a go at it. So this is definitely one of those dishes where you can't really stop. It is full of oil. You can lessen that if you really want to keep it healthy, but it is a dish that is supposed to impress your girlfriend a little bit, so why not? The butter as well. It is very nice. And the sausages, this makes it a lot nicer instead of just having the bacon, I think. But have a go at it. Cheers.
Yes, so the alternative way is of course writing a small love letter. And today we are writing Skika kire desu, which basically means I love you in an indirect way in the old days of Japan. But if you were to translate it literally, then it means the moon is pretty, isn't it? And there you have it. I'll see you next time.